This is nice. We'll just relax with a movie. This is probably one of those chick flicks. Meh, I can suck it up for one night. Girls with the mushy stuffs, they can get over it for nothing. They'll cry and they'll sometimes get... Oh, that crap. A movie that will heat up in the oven. She's gonna want to make out, or something. Then what if she doesn't like it? It's gonna be awkward. I need a mint or something. My tummy hurts. I think I had too many. Oh my god! Did she hear that? Oh crap! She heard! You better say something! Better out the front door than the back. Not that, you idiot! Nice one. I mean, excuse me.